Good morning, Bitter. Today we are going to discuss uh, whether the Merchant of Venice should have ended with the with the trial scene, and whether if we can say that the trial scene, if the fifth act is unnecessary. Shakespeare's actually planned the Merchant of Venice as a romantic comedy, and it was not intended to be a tearjerker. And if this play had ended in after the fourth act, that is after the trial scene, this drama would have become a tragedy. So Shylock was not to be given the title of a hero, and Antonio, the royal merchant of Venice, is the hero of the play. That is why the fifth act was added by Shakespeare to give a pleasant ending, or a romantic comedy type of ending to this play. The conflict between good and evil, between Shylock and Antonio, ends in the trial scene, and the suspense of the trial scene goes on, because the trial scene is full of tragic moments, because Antonio's life is at stake. Because of Portia's entry, we find that he is saved by her. Shylock becomes a villain, and he deserves the punishment which was given to him by the Duke of Venice, because he showed no mercy to Antonio. That is why he does not deserve any mercy from the Duke, and his fate does not move us to pity. If this play had ended with the trial scene, it would not have been a happy and a satisfactory ending, and the fun and romance of the fifth act would have been lost. In the fifth act, we see that Portia and Nerissa, they return to Belmont, and Bassanio and Antonio, they go to Belmont. In the fifth act, we find that the dark clouds of gloom, sadness, and the tragedy which would have befallen Antonio, it takes a turn for the opposite. There is happiness, there is fun, there is laughter in the fifth act, and we find that the husbands and the wives are reunited. Antonio meets the friend of his best friend, the best friend's wife, that is Portia, and the happy ending, happy play. The play has a happy ending. We should not regard the fifth act as not necessary or superfluous. It is a part and parcel of the play, and we just cannot think of the Merchant of Venice without its fifth act. It would be very poor, and it would lose much of its beauty and charm. This act brings in love, romance, music, gaiety, and this is the act which makes it a romantic comedy. Lorenzo and Jessica also are united, and the talk of love, lovers, and dated, a beautiful night, and Jessica's elopement with Lorenzo, and all this is shown in the fifth act. In the fifth act, we see that Lorenzo shows us the power of music. Music moves the heart. Music and moonlight, they transport Lorenzo to the seventh heaven of happiness. He says poetry, he recites a poem to his beloved, and Lorenzo makes a beautiful speech on the power of music. He says that music can tame wild animals and makes them mild and gentle. Dark and dangerous is the soul of man who does not love music. The immortal lines of Shakespeare: the man that hath no music in himself, nor is not moved with concord of sweet sounds, is fit for treasons, stratagems, and spoils. Let no such man be trusted. Beautiful lines written by Shakespeare. And when we read this play till the fourth act, we find all sorts of uh, things taking place, all sorts of tensions and suspense going on. But in the fifth act, everything vanishes. There is love, there is moonlight, there is comedy, and there is romance. And we find that this play is given a beautiful ending by Shakespeare by giving the fifth act as the last act. Thank you.